In this video, I want to go over how to install our Ultradyne Apollo LR muzzle brakes. So our Apollo LRs are very similar to our Apollo Max, except they do not utilize a spacing collar in the rear of the brake. This is just due to the design of the Apollo LR being a little beefed up in order to be compatible with those Magnum calibers. But we still utilize the timing nut system, and so your muzzle device will come standard with the muzzle device as well as the proper timing nut. And so you'll want to take that timing nut and thread it onto your barrel first. You will want the shroud or the overlap on the timing nut facing your barrel. So you'll get that threaded on all the way until it contacts the shoulder of your barrel, and then you'll take your muzzle device and thread it on behind it. All the way until it makes contact to that timing nut, and then you'll actually back off the muzzle device until it is timed properly. So what I mean by timed properly is the top surface of the muzzle device. You'll know it's the top surface whenever our logo is facing upwards and our muzzle rise mitigation ports are on the top as well. You want that level with the top of your firearm. So one trick I like to do is take scope levels. You can put one on your muzzle device and then clamp one to the rail if you're using an AR, or your scope base if you're using a bolt gun. And you get this bubble level that's on your rifle, and then you just adjust your muzzle device until your levels match up. And you know that's where your brake is timed properly. And then you back off your timing nut until it makes contact with the brake, and then you'll actually want to torque the brake and the timing nut together to 25 foot-pounds. So I'm using 15/16 wrench. We will have a wrench guide available in the comments and on our website on our installation page if you want to find out what wrench is the proper one for your muzzle device. So I'll go ahead and keep my levels matched up, get those torqued properly to 25 foot-pounds. And that's as easy as it is. Now you're ready to start shooting.